In Japan, a vision took root in 1928 to protect every harvest through the power of science. From humble beginnings, Nishino Group has grown into a global name, carrying nearly a century of dedication to the fields that feed the world. For 97 years, our purpose has remained the same: to empower farmers with innovation built on trust and precision. From Japan to 100+ countries and regions, from research labs to real-world results, we've been redefining crop protection sustainably, responsibly, globally. As we look toward our 100th year, our roots remain strong and our vision clearer than ever: to protect, to innovate, to grow for generations to come.